If you are going to write your JAMB, you need to pay attention to this video because some of you are afraid. You know you should write this exam. You know the JAMB exam is coming. You know that you just need to write the exam to further your education, but then you are afraid. So I want you to pay attention to this video because the things we'll be covering in this video will help you to prepare for your JAMB exams, make your exam, score high grade, enter school without necessarily being afraid. So let me ask you, are you afraid of JAMB? Some people will say JAMB will jam you. Are you afraid of JAMB jamming you? So if you're afraid, just calm down, just calm down. Look at this picture. This our dear sister knows she's supposed to write JAMB. Possibly she knows she's supposed to write this coming JAMB, and she's just afraid. So some people have written JAMB before and they not do very well and they have to rewrite it, so they are afraid. Some people are writing it for the first time. They have heard a lot of stories about how difficult JAMB is and they're afraid. So I just want you to calm down. What are the reasons why many people are afraid? Look at the past percentage of the just concluded JAMB 2024. Out of 1.8 million result that was released, 1,842,464 results that were released, only 0.5% scored up to 300 and above. That is, only 8,401 persons were able to pass, that were able to score 300 and above. Can you imagine that? So many people failed. Only 77,070, representing only 42%, were able to score 250 and above. Now look at another shocking reality. Only 24%, that is 439,974 candidates were able to study 200 and above. Then 76% scored below 200 in JAMB in 2024. That is 1,402,490 candidates scored less than 200. Can you imagine that? So that is why many of you are afraid. But then, you watching this doesn't need to be afraid. If others wrote this JAMB and passed, there is no reason why you should not pass. If others were able to score 300 and above, these persons are not with two heads. If other people could score above 300, then you should be among those that should score above 300 in this coming JAMB that we are preparing for. I will share with you few tips to score high in your JAMB exam. Follow the simple steps. There are just a few simple steps I want to share with you that I am sure will help you to pass your exam. By the way, remember to watch this video from beginning to the end, and go ahead right now and like this video. Just click on like and continue watching. At the end of this video, I'll give you a gift, something that will help you to pass. Okay? As you are preparing for your JAMB exam, number one secret is to start reading now. Some people will know that the exam will come next year or this year, and they have not started reading. So the key thing is to start preparing. When? Now. If you write the exam by April and you are in January, don't wait until 1 month before JAMB before you start reading. Some people will not do anything. Some people will not study. Some people will not do anything until just few months or few weeks before JAMB exam. That's why there's a lot of failure. Remember that you have a whole novel to read for your use of English. Remember that you have 4 subjects to write. Remember also that in each of those 4 subjects, there are at least 15-20 topics to cover. Some of you that will be writing calculation subjects, you know there are a lot to cover. Some of you that want to study law, medicine, any science or art subject, the art is bulky, a lot of bulky topics, a lot of topics to cover. So When should you start to study? Now. Even if your exam you write 1 year from now, start now to prepare. Even if you write 5 months from now, start when? Not tomorrow, now. Okay? Start reading now. Thank God you are in this channel, Noble Tutorials. In this channel, I will even give you the past questions you need. I will even give you the syllables. All these materials, I will give to you free. If you subscribe to this YouTube channel, just watch this video from beginning to the end, like this video. Then if you subscribe, just hit on subscribe. Come under this video and tell me, I have subscribed. I will share with you past questions free of charge. I will give it to you free. I will give you free syllables, and I will begin to guide you free just for subscribing. So number one secret is, when should you start studying? When? Now. Number two is, you should not just study, just don't study haphazard. Study in line with official JAMB syllabus. What did I say? Study in line with official JAMB syllabus. Don't just start reading. Every year, JAMB will bring out in each subject the required topics that will set question from. For instance, in mathematics is a very wide and vast subject. JAMB will not set all the questions that you treated from JS1 to SS3. No. JAMB will just bring out maybe 15 topics or 20 topics that they want you to focus on for that particular year. It is from those particular subjects that JAMB will pick questions from. So I will share with you the JAMB syllabus in your subject when you subscribe. You can also go to our YouTube channel. We have done videos on syllabus, both on use of English, mathematics, physics, chemistry, all your subjects. We have, so just go to our YouTube channel and find out those syllables. But I can also send it to you if you watch this video to the end and subscribe. So if you subscribe, tell me you have subscribed and watch this video to the end. I will share your syllabus with you. So don't just start reading. Don't just start reading. Read with a syllabus. It will guide you. Number 3, very important, study with a past question. Remember, I said I will share those past questions with you free of charge if you watch this video to the end. Okay? You don't just need to study anyhow. These past questions for JAMB are already everywhere. Sometimes JAMB repeats questions. So you will do yourself a lot of good if you do what? Study with past questions. You can buy those past questions in the market. If you cannot buy in the market, tell me and I will share them. Or if there are some you cannot see in the market, I can share them with you. Why is it important to read with this past question? Because most of the time, JAMB, this past question contains the questions and the solutions, the answers. And sometimes JAMB repeats questions. So it's important, get past question in the 4 subjects we'll be writing. Okay, so as you study in line with the past question. I hope you are following. Remember, like this video, subscribe, comment I have subscribed. Then you can also share this video on WhatsApp and all other platforms. Just share, copy the link and share it with all your friends also that will be writing this JAMB exam, so that they can also learn to start preparing early. So go ahead, like this video and subscribe, then comment. Remember to watch this video to the end. Another 4th key that will help you to prepare without being afraid is study with a timetable. Timetable are key. Timetable is important. Timetable of what you must follow, not a timetable that you will not follow, but a timetable that you will follow. You can see this example: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Good 18. JAMB is not like WAEC where you are writing 9 subjects. JAMB is just 4 subjects. So in your timetable, you just place how you will study. So you can come on Monday and say, Monday I will study use of English, Tuesday I will study this, depending on how such timetable suits you. The timetable that suits your friend may not suit you. So craft a timetable that will suit you. If there is a subject that you know very well, you can may not pay much attention to it, like those subjects that you are not very good in. Those subjects that you are not good in is the one you should pay more attention to. Maybe mathematics, calculation subject, or bulky subjects. Very important. By the way, if you need me to guide you to craft your timetable, comment. Just comment, I've subscribed. I will send you, my staff will send you a WhatsApp line that you will chat. Then we'll begin to guide you. We are here for you. Okay, the next step after you have crafted your timetable is learn how to write a CBT examination. What is CBT? Everybody knows that JAMB is written with computer. Right now, before, when I wrote my own JAMB back then, we wrote with paper and pen, just like some of you are doing with WAEC, NAN, and NECO. But your JAMB is computer based. Some of you may not have ever written an exam with a computer, or you may not even have a laptop. Maybe the kind of school you went to, there was no computers, there were no laptops at home. But now that you'll be writing your JAMB, you cannot do without a computer. So just learn how to use a computer. It's very simple. If you don't know it, comment that you don't know it. Ask me to guide you. I will guide you, or my staff will guide you, and we'll do that for you free of charge. If you want to join us on WhatsApp in our study group, just chat me up and we'll add you. Okay, so as we are preparing, be inquisitive. Ask questions. In this asking of questions, what do I mean? Meet people that have written JAMB before you ask them questions. There are some that wrote JAMB last year. Meet them, ask them questions. There are some that wrote JAMB twice, many years ago. There are some that even did JAMB and passed. They got more than 300 over 400. Ask them, how did you do it? Maybe you want to study law. Go and meet somebody that is already in year 1 in law. Ask them, when you were writing your JAMB or your screening, how did you do it? Don't be afraid. Ask questions. Ask me questions. Ask your teachers questions. You can also pray. Prayer helps. Pray for this exam. Don't be, if you believe in prayer, pray. Have faith. Be confident. Don't be afraid. Remember, in this score that I showed you earlier, 8,401 persons scored over 300 in JAMB for 2024. If this number could get to 300 and above, you can be one of them in your own exam. So don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Keep studying. In our channel, you can find how to check your JAMB in case when you write your own JAMB and pass. So we wish you all the best in your examination. We wish you the best. Remember to watch this video from beginning to the end. Then remember to study with a syllabus. Remember to study with your past questions. Remember to learn how to use CBT. Remember to craft a timetable. Remember not to be afraid. Remember to pray. Remember to ask questions. And remember to, if you have not liked this video, like this video, share this video, invite your friends to watch this video, and most importantly, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so that you can always get notifications when we post a new video. You don't have any reason to be afraid. We wish you all the best as you prepare for your JAMB exam.